channel. Because, as most of you should know, I am running my car at the track tonight. So, I'm super excited. We'll see how this goes. I'm running a 9 tonight, no matter what. I'm running a 9. I'm stating it right now. So, once I get a slip with a 9 on it, I'm leaving. I'm leaving the track. We're good. So, let's get to the good stuff.
Obviously?
No. So it's had this problem before, and I can't remember. I was gonna call Doug and see what he's done to fix it.
Let's just keep rolling up right now.
I don't know. I can't remember if it was a fuse or.
I don't know what this is.
That's my.
Oh.
It doesn't matter.
Have you ever foot braked the car?
No.
So I wouldn't turn it. Obviously, like you're not gonna like. You don't want to stall it obviously like what you would through the trans brake probably, because we don't know what your brakes, your foot brake's gonna hold. But like you could sit here, like if you get some space, I would sit here and just hold the foot brake really hard and just see, like rev it up a little bit and see where it starts to push through the brake, right? Because if you're still gonna make 3K RPMs without it pushing through the brake, it's gonna be your best bet for right now. If the trans brake's not working, right?
Right. Honestly, let me see if Doug answers. I'll be that asshole that calls him.
It looks like it spun hard once you like went full throttle anyway, so it's like just hold the brake right now with your left foot. Just be driver's ed right now, okay?
Fuck.
It's gonna feel weird.
I'm gonna have to scoot.
And just slowly rev it up and see if it starts pushing through the brakes. See, so I would just like right there. I can already hear them already start to spool. And then right before you're about to let off, I would just rev it, like sit there. Don't worry about the red light, green light, none of that. I know you're like up there, I'm sure you got antsy.
Yeah, a little
just because
bit.
you felt rushed. Which is normal when you bump in second.
Yeah. Stupid.
They're starting to
can't remember what he says keeps going wrong with it.
That's something we should have tested.
I thought about it too. I was like, I need to make sure this works.
I mean, not like full, like fucking burnout, but like make sure it holds the car, right? It's fine. Most people foot brake.
Yeah.
Right? Most people don't have that luxury of a trans brake.
Right.
I don't have a trans brake.
It's true.
Damn. I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
Happened on the hit?
Well, first of all, the brake didn't hold, so
Yeah, you spun a little bit, but you didn't red light.
I didn't red light, no. Spun a little bit, and so I eased off of it, and I tried to roll into it, and it spun a little bit, and then finally caught traction. I did 132 for an 11.8.
Yeah, you're gonna see the. Because obviously, here's when you back half. 27? No, 132. No, you back half 31 miles an hour. Yeah, that's awesome.
So that's a good sign.
Yep, that's the data that you want right now. And I don't know if it was over boosting you or what. I'll show you.
I turned the boost down
To 10?
to 12.8.
Oh.
See if you can get another one in, or
Probably not.
at least you get to drive home.
Yeah, it's true. That's true.
Driving home is always a good day.
Right?
It's always a good day to drive home.
Yeah.
All right, stay safe.
You too. Right.
Your achievement right here is you back half 31 miles an hour. That's good. So the way you look at it is, okay, imagine if on 10 pounds you back half like 24 miles an hour, right? So you picked up, what, 7 or 8 miles an hour, probably maybe even a little bit more.
Good morning, you guys. It is the day after track day. I didn't get a whole lot of filming done, honestly. Was trying to focus on a lot of things. Unfortunately, we didn't run a 9. It is what it is. Trans brake wasn't working. Didn't realize that it wasn't working until I got up to the line, hopped the light, tried to go, spun. So second time around, turned down the boost, tried to manually launch it, and spun, let out, got back into it, and ran an 11.8 at 133, which I picked up 32 miles per hour in the back half, which is really good. Got the same trap speed as when I ran a 1018, So it's good, it's just traction, I guess. I don't know. I'm really disappointed, but it is what it is. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm not going to talk too much.